Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the ParkWhiz app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the ParkWhiz app. Okay, if it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, you have to press and hold it here. Just click that I button. It will open the app info section of your app. So when you will just go here, you have to scroll down and just click on the storage section. Click on clear data, just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the app again. Okay, just go to at here ParkWhiz. From here, just update the app and it will work. So at here it will go and you can directly search for the app. Just download the latest version and you can open it. If you have related question to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.